Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Inaya Putri Aulia from class A. Here I will present the result of the interview report of lecturer Mrs. Fajriani, which was conducted with Nur Aziza from class A and Maharni from class B. The title of the interview report is Integrating AI Tools in Language Teaching. What I will explain is the introduction part. This interview was conducted as part of the final project for the final exam of the Speaking for Academic Purpose course. The main purpose of this interview was to examine an English lecture academic perspective on the integration of AI tools such as Grammarly in the teaching of grammar. Specifically, the interview aims to explore how AI is used to balance theory and practice in grammar teaching. The lecture views on student use of AI in completing assignment, the challenges faced regarding accessory and ethic, and the important skill that students as future English teacher should develop in order to effectively integrate AI in their future teaching practice. The next slide provides profile of the lecturer. Name lecturer Fajriani SSMA, academic position and institution, permanent lecturer, English Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Universitas Sulawesi Barat. Academic background, English and American literature. Areas of expertise, literature, culture, and language studies. Key findings. The first, balancing theory and practice using AI tools. When asked how she balanced theory and practice in teaching grammar, especially when utilizing AI tools such as Grammarly, Mrs. Fajriani emphasized an interactive stage approach. She begins by introducing grammar rules and theoretical concepts through lecture or discussion. After student grasps the theoretical foundation, she transitions into writing exercises that serve as practical application. AI tools like Grammarly are intended at this stage not as substitutes for understanding, but as support mechanics. Critically, she trains her students not to accept AI feedback passively. Instead, she encourages critical engagement with Grammarly suggestion. Students are taught to analyze and reflect on the feedback rather than implement it automatically. This approach fosters not only grammatical competence but also critical thinking, allowing students to become active learners rather than passive receipt of technological output. The second, student use of AI for assignment. Mrs. Fajriani held a nuanced view on the use of AI by students. She believes AI can be a valuable aid to learning when used appropriately. Grammarly, for instance, can help improve accuracy and deepen understanding. However, she stresses that AI should not be always to replace human learning. When students overly rely on AI to complete assignments without engaging with the content, they risk missing out on developing essential reading and grammatical skills. For this reason, she believes that teachers must guide students in ethical and thoughtful AI usage. This includes educating them about the support active, not substitutive role of technology in their learning journey. The next challenges of AI in terms of accuracy and ethics. In discussing the main challenges associated with AI in grammar assignment, Mrs. Pajrani noted two major issues: overreliance and ethical concerns. First, overreliance often leads to errors, especially when students blindly accept grammarly suggestion. AI tools may misinterpret complex grammatical structure or fail to provide accurate, context-specific correction. This poses a danger, particularly for learners who haven't yet built a strong foundation in grammar. Second, ethical issues such as plagiarism and lack of originality arise when students use AI to generate or heavily edit their assignment without proper acknowledgement. This is especially problematic when entire pieces are processed or written by AI tools. To combat this, Mrs. Fajarani emphasized academic integrity. She teaches students to view AI as a resource for learning rather than a shortcut to completing tests. The next slide. There are implications for the teaching professional in the future. As a preserved English teacher, this interview has significantly shaped my perspective on both the challenges and opportunities presented by AI tools in the language classroom. It has underscored the importance of balance between technology and pedagogy, between automation and critical engagement, and between innovation and ethics. First and foremost, I now see AI not as a threat to traditional teaching but as a tool that, if properly understood and managed, can enrich grammar instruction. Rather than fearing that tools like Grammarly will replace grammar teachers, I now understand that such tools can empower students to become more independent writers, provided that teachers guide their use wisely. In my future classroom, I plan to adopt a similar approach to Mrs. Pajurani, where theoretical understanding is followed by practical application, and AI is positioned as a reflective and guide rather than a crutch. Secondly, the emphasis on critical thinking resonated deeply with me. It made me realize that AI literacy must be paired with human judgment. As future educators, we must teach our students how to question and evaluate feedback skills that are increasingly important in the digital age. I will make it a priority to design writing tests that require students to reflect on Grammarly suggestion and justify whether or not they accept them. In this way, AI becomes a dialogic partner in learning, not an unquestioned authority. And then I was inspired by the idea of creative integration of AI. This concept encourages me to think beyond Grammarly and consider other AI applications that could personalize grammar instruction or gamify error correction. For example, I make use AI-based writing prompts in creative grammar checkers or student-made grammar correction tutorial that leverage AI feedback. This activity can foster engagement and deepen learning. The last slide, there are conclusion. In conclusion, this interview has provided me with invaluable insight into how AI can be integrated into grammar instruction responsibly and effectively. It has strengthened my belief that teaching is not about resisting technology but about harnessing it for deeper learning. As I move forward in my teaching journey, I carry with me the conviction that while AI can assist learning, the teacher remains their irreplaceable guide who shapes who that learning unfolds. Maybe that's all I can convey in the presentation of the lecture interview report. If there are any wrong words, please forgive me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.